guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are doing something other than crocheting. We are touching grass. And I brought you guys along with me. I'm actually going to be moving to Boston very soon for work, and I took a little weekend trip up to go apartment hunting. So this vlog is kind of all the fun exploring we did in between apartment tours. Right off the bat, we had some terrible luck and our flight was canceled. Luckily, we were able to book something super early for the next morning, meaning we would get there on Saturday afternoon-ish instead of Friday night. And the flight that we took actually didn't even go straight into Boston. It landed in New Hampshire, so we had about an hour Uber ride after that. So by the time we finally made it, we were honestly so tired. But alas, we made it. So here's the rest of our kind of sleepy day one. Thanks. Double fisting is crazy. I got the turkey avocado bagel on Asiago, and it's actually massive. Oh my god. How would you rate the bagels?
How would I rate the bagels? Taste-wise, probably like a 9 out of 10. Really strong 9 out of 10. Eatability-wise, like ease of eatability, it was pretty messy, so I'd probably give it like a 6 out of 10.
Damn!
It was pretty messy. Mine wasn't put together very well, I'll be honest. Overall value, that's an expensive bagel.
Welcome to the city.
Yeah. No kidding. What about you?
9 out of 10.
Overall? Mm-hmm. Even eatability?
I'm having no trouble right now.
Yours was put together way better than mine. That's what I found out today.
Skill issue.
Clearly.
Welcome to get coffee.
Fix this headache.
I got the strawberries and cream latte from Blank Street Coffee,
Okay.
and it's really good. It's like really subtle, not super heavy on the strawberry. But now we're going rock climbing. Today's kind of our day off because we can't tour anything on Sunday, so we're just kind of exploring and enjoying. Whoa.
ride learn. And we're gonna get off on Central. We'll hop on it for 47 minutes.
And of course, Gooby.
We are going to get kava for dinner. We got kava. I got the harissa avocado with chicken. Here, quick, hold the video. I'm gonna go do something crazy.
Go do it crazy.
Are you ready? That was it.
How was it?
Yeah, you can cut. That was it. You can cut. You can cut now. In about 3 months, I'll be moving to the Boston area because I'm going to work for Google as a software engineer.
AKA Gooby.
So on this trip, we're just going around, touring apartments, kind of exploring the city. Let me go this way. So we got to tour one apartment yesterday. We're touring 4 tomorrow, and we also fly out tomorrow. So it's gonna be a little bit of a grind in the morning. Unfortunately, we got in super late, or later than we thought, because Friday night our flight was canceled, and it was a very late flight already. So we had to reschedule for really early Saturday morning and didn't get into Boston until like 1 yesterday. So we had to cancel some of our tours, reschedule for tomorrow, and we were beat. We were beat.
In-flight train arrives in 3 minutes.
3 minutes? Okay, I am not a city girl yet, so this looks like crazy to me. Hi! Okay, we just got off the train and we're walking back to our hotel for like 15 minutes.
A little bit shorter. I think it's a like 8 or 9 minute walk.
Oh, not bad. The public transportation here is really nice.
Actually,
I don't know about you, but
we have gotten by very easily, and I will say navigating is a hell of a lot easier than navigating like driving a car.
yeah. Oh, that's a rat.
What is that? Hold on. Oh,
Did you see him? Is that a rat? Wait, there's more! Over there! Over there!
Jesus, they're scampering. They're all over.
Good morning! We're at the train station and we toured 2 apartments already, and we're going to tour the 3rd one, and the train is coming. We got some chicken katsu curry from H Mart. It smells so good. Oh my god.